Hey there, welcome. Today let's dive into something we all deal with at some point: negative thoughts. Managing these thoughts is crucial for a healthy mind, and I'm here to share some effective techniques to help you master your mind and stop negative thoughts now. First things first, recognize and acknowledge those negative thoughts. It's easy to get caught in a loop, but identifying when you're having negative thoughts is the first step to overcoming them. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, just pause and say to yourself, "There it is again." Next, challenge these thoughts with evidence. Often, our negative thoughts are based on irrational beliefs. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Gather evidence to prove it wrong. This can help you see things from a different perspective and reduce the power these thoughts have over you. Another powerful tool is practicing positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging thoughts. For example, instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try saying, "I am capable and worthy." Repeat these positive statements to yourself daily. Engaging in mindfulness and meditation can also be a game changer. Mindfulness teaches you to live in the present moment and become more aware of your thoughts without judgment. Meditation can provide a break from the constant flow of negative thoughts and bring a sense of peace and clarity. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. And don't forget to seek support from friends, family, or professionals. Talking to someone you trust can provide a fresh perspective and help you feel less isolated. Sometimes just sharing what you're going through can lighten the load. Remember, managing negative thoughts is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. You have the power to master your mind and create a positive, fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Stay positive and take care.